Or to my maintenance shop, y'all. Chill. I know these your babies right here. These little babies. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. I was just trying to get in the maintenance closet. Ah. Okay, I'm sorry. There's babies on the ground. Auntie over here, mom and dad over there. Dang, I just messed everything up for y'all. I'm sorry. You little babies. Okay, I just ruined the morning. Killed the whole vibe. Like, you want to swoop down on me, don't you? I'm sorry I messed up your nest. Y'all was having just a good morning getting some breakfast.